Chairman.
That what you said.
Mr. Chairman, it's fake news.
Yes, that is why, just a point of clarification. You mentioned earlier that ang Pilipinas nag-water cannon din sa China. May I know where did you get that information? Was it in the news?
Mr. Chair, wala po ako sinabing nag-water cannon sa China.
Hindi, sinabi nyo ngayon lang.
Hindi, ang sinabi ko po nag-water cannon.
Mr. Mark Lopez, pwede natin i-review yung tape. We are on the record. Kasasabi mo lang yun. At saka, did I hear it right? That he said na nag-water cannon din tayo sa China?
Nag-water cannon lang.
Nag-water cannon po tayo.
Pero, Mr. Chairman, pero Mr. Lopez,
Opo, Mr. Chair. Yes, sir.
makinig ka po, please. Kasi po, the issue as of now is the West Philippine Sea. The problem with China. Now, nung minention D.S. Suarez about the water cannons, nagsalita ka na tayo din, nag-water cannon. Saan yun? Water cannon saan? Kasi yung pinag-usapan natin dito is the West Philippine Sea. Now, tama ka. Hindi mo sinabi na nag-water cannon ang Pilipinas sa China. But ang pinag-usapan natin dito is all about the West Philippine Sea. Now, ano yung sinasabi mong water cannon?
Mr. Chair, I premise my statement po kasi, kanina sinabi ko po, that the South China Sea issue is a complex issue.
Sandali po. Please answer my question. What do you mean that the Philippines is using water cannon?
Kasi po yung water cannon is a facility. Opo.
Huwag ka magpalusot. I warn you. You're under oath.
Ang water cannon
Sagutin mo po where you refer that water cannon. That
Hindi
you mentioned.
po, ang water cannon deployment po kasi is one of the actions taken by a state. Pag meron po mga dispute na ganyan nga po.
Ang Pilipinas, ibig mo sabihin, mag-water cannon din sa China.
Pwede po.
That's sinabi mo nag-water cannon.
Mr. Chair, wala ako sinabi ng Pilipinas na water cannon ng isang kalabang state. Ang sinabi ko
Sandali po. But we're talking about the West Philippine Sea. This will be your last warning. Or else I will cite you in contempt. This is your last warning. You're under oath.
Opo.
What do you mean that the Philippines is using water cannon?
Mr. Chair, ang sinabi ko nga po, ang Pilipinas po, nag-water cannon, pwede po mag-water cannon.
Hindi. Walang pwede. Sinabi mong mag-water cannon.
Mr. Chair, sige po.
Mr. Chairman, with this, Mr. Chairman.
Mag-apologize po ako. Mali po ako. Sige po, fake news po ako. Ang sinasabi ko lang po, pwede po ang water cannon sa South China Sea issue.
Hindi, ganito lang po.
Fake news po ako.
Hindi, ang sinabi mo, what you said, nag-water cannon, Mr. Chair.
Opo.
And
Ina-admit ko
if
po.
you want,
Ina-admit ko po.
we can ask the Secretariat to refer to our stenographers in the back to the statements issued by Mr. Lopez regarding that issue. So, we have never taken, I don't think, that's reckless, huh? Absolutely reckless. Anyway, I want to show a photo, but, of course.
Mr. Chairman. Ganito lang po. Mr. Chairman. Mr. Lopez. Okay, you apologize?
Opo, I apologize po.
Yeah, thank you for that apology. Now, this will be your last warning. Please refrain from lawyering or palusot. For not telling the truth. Or else, the next time that you will commit that violation in this committee, I will never hesitate to cite you in contempt. Ipapakulong kita dito.
Noted, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.
So,